Hi Playmate, welcome back to the Play Circle. Today we're exploring the colors of the rainbow. Let's see what's inside the mystery gift bags. Let's start with the red gift bag. It's a red arch and a red gift box. Let's open the box to see what's inside. Wow, rabbits! Let's count the rabbits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rabbits! They're so cute! Next, let's take a look in the orange gift bag. It's an orange arch and an orange gift box. Let's see what's inside. Cool! Fish! Let's count the fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 fish! You're doing really good with counting! Up next, let's look in the yellow gift bag. This time, we have a yellow arch. And a yellow gift box. Let's see what's hiding inside. Cats! Let's count the cats. 1, 2, 3. 3 cats! Now let's check the green gift bag. A green arch and a green gift box. Let's open the box to see what's inside. Frogs! Let's count the frogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 frogs. They're so tiny and adorable. Moving on, let's see what's inside the blue gift bag. A blue arch and a blue gift box. Let's see what's hidden in the gift box. Dogs! Let's count the dogs. 1, 2. 2 dogs. Last, let's take a look in the purple gift bag. Wow, the last part of the rainbow! A purple arch! And a purple gift box. Let's see what's in the box. 1 pony! Now let's put the rainbow together, starting with the purple arch. Then the blue arch, the green arch, yellow, orange, and the red arch. Wow, this rainbow is complete! Thank you for helping me with stacking. You're awesome! Now the animals need a place to go. Let's head over to the Colorful Latches Town. Welcome to the Colorful Latches Town, where all the doors and windows have different types of latches and are the colors of the rainbow. Let's start with the red gift box. Do you remember what animal was in this box? That's right! 4 rabbits! Now let's look for the red door with the number 4 on it and a sliding bolt latch. This one, good job! And now our 4 rabbits have a home. next is the orange gift box. Do you remember what animal was in this box? Yep, 6 fish. Where is the orange door with the number 6 and a hasp latch? That's right, this one. Now our 6 fish can swim freely in this home. Let's look back at the yellow gift box. Do you remember which animal was in this box? 3 cats. Can you help me find the yellow window with the number 3 and a hook and eye latch? Good job! It's this one. Now our 3 cats can play in this home. Next is the green gift box. What animal was inside again? 5 frogs. Now, let's look for the green door with the number 5 and a chain latch. This one. Good eye. Now our 5 frogs have a home. Let's move on to the blue gift box. What animal was in this box? 2 dogs. Let's look for the blue window with a number 2 and a sash lock. Good job! This one. Now our 2 dogs have a place to stay. Let's look at the purple gift box. What animal was in this box? A pony! Now let's look for the purple window with the number 1 and a draw latch. This one! Awesome! Now our pony has a room to be silly in. If you enjoyed today's learning session, please give this video a thumbs up. You can join me in my other videos on the Play Circles channel. That's all for today. Goodbye, Playmates!